execute or run. Ayan, run SQL. Ayan. So, no rows affected for this statement. For statement number 2, 1 row affected. Okay, let's go to our table, students, and see the data. If I click view data, you will see that we inserted a record. If you go to your server, which is another computer, okay, ayan. So I will type another command. Select as erase from students. There you go. So this is a record coming from a client. Data is now stored sa server. So if you have multiple clients, they can access this record. Ayan. Okay? So that is how we do it. But for exercise 1, we're not going to run commands like this. We're going to run statements like this. Because values must be inputted. Ito. Okay? You must input the values, not assigning constant values like this. Diba? Constant yan. Si Juan, Chris, and Davao, fixed. We don't want that. We want values to be inputted in each text field. Diba? Hindi fixed, hindi mano-mano. Okay? We need to use a GUI. Okay? So, in this case, this is the statement that we will use because we already tested that it works. Diba? Nag-work yung query. Itong statement nag-work. We just assigning, i-assign lang natin ang variables. Diba? I-assign lang natin coming from the GUI. Okay, ito sila. Parameters yan from our GUI. Okay? Alright, let's see. Depende po. Meron pa yung isa. Depende, hindi pa natin marami yan. Okay, we are now going to use this variable, ayan, to perform a try and catch. Okay. Ayan. So, this is query. Okay, may catch pa tayo. I forgot to add a catch. So, catch will be a message if it fails to insert. Okay, di ba? Yan. So, A is an object variable for this class instantiation. Yan. Okay, ito na class. This class holds the method dbconnect. So when you call dbconnect method, it will establish a connection using the database. Diba? That's what it will do. Okay. Using the username and password. Ayan. Okay. And then, it will assign to this variable string. This is a string. Using the string variable, it will execute, okay, a query. Ayan. Okay? And then, it will say insert successfully if it does. Ayan. Okay? Alright. So, let's see. Let me run first because just to check if it will work. So, we're waiting for insert success because that's the message we want to see. Okay, insert success. Diba? So, let's check at our server. There you go. Okay, diba? Nasa server na yan. Same thing if you do that here. Okay, there you go. Okay, diba? Nasa server na. Ayan. So, that is the result. So, ganon. So, the code is this one. Using the query, variable to execute an update. If it's successful, it will print. Otherwise, it will say failed. Especially if the server is offline. Pag wala si server na offline, failed to insert. Okay? Ayan. Alright? Yes. Questions? Okay, none so far? Ayan. So, just follow the example given. So, let's proceed sa dito naman. Dito naman tayo. Okay. So, every time you click the save button, you will see the records in this section in the table. You don't have to keep on going sa services because this will not be available. No need to keep on going here para makita ang records, di ba? Because this will not be available, itong services, when you're using the program. So when you're using the program, this is the only thing that you will see. You're not allowed to go to NetBeans. Di ba? Walang NetBeans. When you run the program, this is the only thing you will see. Okay? So in this case, we need to use a table. Ayan. Okay. So we need to show the table every time we load the form. Okay? So, every time the form loads, records here should be showing. So in this case, we're going to add an event. Window open. Okay, let's see open muna. Ayan, window open. If the window opens, let's print a message. Okay, let's see if this will print. Yan, tingnan natin. Run. Okay, may hello, di ba? I already loaded my window. So meaning, every time the window loads, pag nag-load daw ito na form, you need to print everything in the table. Okay? So, okay, success. We're going to do that in the student's form. Yan. So, we're going to add another method. Load records. Okay. So, we're going to call this method in our students. Yan. So, basically, ito. It's just load records. Load records. Okay, ganyan. So, yun lang. Load records lang. Yan. So, in our students load records, we're going to be doing the same thing. Okay? Yan. So, example. Yan, I will give you an example. Okay, so we have the example. Okay, dito tayo sa ito, sa window open. Yan. Yan, sa window open tayo. Okay, so I need to display values. Yan, so how would you do that? We need to perform an iteration. Okay, we're going to do an iteration to display all the values. Okay, so yun ang gawin natin. Okay, yan. So first is create a table model. Okay. This library is not available. We need to import it. Ayan. Ayan. The name of the table is Table 2. You can choose to name it anything you want. If you change the name here, make sure the code also is the same thing. Consistency. Okay, is the key. Ayan, JTable 2. So what this statement does is, this is instantiation, where this is a class assigning it to an object variable instance of this table. So anything you do with this variable happens as well sa table. If this table changes, same thing with the variable. Ayan. Okay? So you don't have to keep using JTable2 to do anything sa table. You just use this variable. Okay? Ganyan. So that's the purpose of instantiation here. Okay. Next is we're going to clear the contents of our table. Okay, ayan. So if I run the program now, you will see empty. Diba? Walang laman?
Yes.
Okay, empty. If you remove this one, alisin ko yan. Okay, wala pa yan kanina. Okay, there are values. Diba? Meron yan. Null. Ayan o, may null. Yung 4 na row. Diba? May 4 na row. Yung 4 na row are basically does not do anything. These are just default values. So you just have to clear. Clear mo yan. So, it's empty. Ganyan na. Because we need to clear the table first before assigning rows. Okay? Hindi pwedeng may nakalagay na 4 na row na blank. So, dapat empty. Okay? Yan. Okay. Next, let us instantiate. Okay, let us instantiate the database again. Okay, same with what we did here. Dito naman. Okay, ito again. So I will copy again this one. Paste it here. Okay? Ayan. And our query will be different. The query that I use here. Ito. Ayan. We're going to use this one. Select everything from the table. Okay? So that is what I will use. Ayan. So follow lang ha. So, yun ang itatype ko now. Select asterisk from students. Okay. Ayan. Alright? Okay. So, next is we're going to perform a try and catch. Okay. This is supposed to be inside the try and catch. Okay. So, let's do this. A try and catch. So, our try is right here. Yan. Okay, so we have the following. Subject ID. There's no there's a subject ID here. Sorry, student ID. Name. Naminaw ha. Name as it's stud name. So you need to follow the names of field. So you will see stud ID, stud name, address. So that is what you will type here. Stud ID, stud name, and address. Okay, this two is not needed. Ayan. Ayan, this two is not needed as well. Okay. And this one is redundant because we have A already. Ayan, and we're calling it sa A again. So this should be B naman. Ganyan lang yung variable natin, ABCD. Alright, so, okay, I will discuss this one. What is all of this? Okay, system out print in case there are error. Yan. So, this is our query. Diba? Ito, that is the query I use. I-discuss ko pa yung query sa next slide. Because quiz 1, next week, will be about the queries that I am using. Ito yung i-quiz natin. Select, insert, okay, all of that. So, select asterisk from students. That's the query I use here. We're going to select the entire table called students. Ito daw yun. Ayan. And execute. Same thing what I did here. Diba? Sa insert. Yung kanina. Yan. It's basically the same. Yan. Gicopy ko lang. But this time, we have a while loop. Okay? We have a while loop. What does our while loop do? For every record, it will proceed sa next row, next row, next row, next row. Because we have multiple rows, di ba? This is row number 1, this is row number 2, so on and so forth. Pag maraming rows yan, maraming student, dalawa lang man yung estudyante natin. Okay. So, this will iterate 2 times. Twice lang yan siya mag-loop. Ayan. So, for every iteration, it will get the ID, name, and address of each record, assign it to a variable. We're going to assign it, the variables IC and D, to a 1D array. Ayan. So, ito daw siya, maminaw, is a 1D array. Di ba ganito ang 1D array? Merong 2D pala. 1D. Ito, 1D array ito. Dalawang 1D array. 1D array, 1D array. So, for every row, 1 dimension. Another row, another dimension. So, the same 1D array is used. Change lang niya ang value. So, the first iteration, gawa siya ng 1D array called item. I-assign niya ang entire row. And assign it, add row it sa TBL model. This is our TBL model. For every iteration, isang row. Another iteration, another row. Another iteration, another row. That's how this works. For every row, iterate the item. Ito siya is a 1D array, meaning one row. Okay? Ganyan. Alright, so what will happen now? There you go. Okay, ganyan. Alright? Yes. You will see the same output. Okay? So, this will only work if I input something, hindi pa yan siya mag-update. If I click save, nothing happens because this method is called every time you load the form or open the window. So meaning, you need to do this every time you click the save button. Yan. So we're going to add another method. Public void show records. Okay, ayan. Alright, so i-copy paste ko yung code na yan. So we're going to call this method now. Every time mag-load ang form, every time you click the save button. Ayan. So you're going to show the records. Okay? So let's see what happens. Yes. And edit and delete. Sila lahat. Ayan. Okay? Let's see. This is a new student. There you go. Okay? New student. There you go. Same with our database sa server. Okay, di ba? Consistency. Whatever you input sa client, sa server, nagapunta when you click save. Okay? Ganyan. Alright. So, That will be your extra one. But this is not the entire code. You're going to do delete and update on your own. Okay, what happens during delete? Pag i-click ko yan, maglabas dito si 222 automatically. Automatic ha. Okay, kayo na maghanap ng paraan. You will be the one doing the coding. If you click this row, maglabas na si 222, delete, mawala ang row na 222. Okay, si 222 na student. If I click this one, okay, ito na lang, 1, 2, 3. Maglagay dyan, 1, 2, 3. Maglabas dito yung pangalan niya. Okay, ano man yan? QE, QWE. Tapos, same lang ang ano ng address. Yan, maglabas. So, if I click this row, it will show all the entire data here, dyan. And you can now choose to edit. Update. Okay. So, if I click the update button, this name will be applied here. That's update. Okay? Ganyan. Alright? So, okay. Update yan siya.
Sir.
So, let's, question.
So, delete, sir. Pakita, like, ang name, address, and contact.
No need na. Just the ID. For update, lahat. Okay? Alright? But you won't know what are you going to press. So meaning if I click this, maglabas lahat yan. If I click this, maglabas lahat ito. Dito.
So, pag pindo ko ng save, sir, masave na po siya balik siya.
Another na naman. Lahi na po. Dapat mangod lahi. Pero for XR1, it's not important.
Di ba? For example, i-click siya, sir, dapat magawa siya dila sa field. So,
Okay, for exercise 2, we're going to change the ID. Dapat kasi auto-generated ang ID siya gina-input. Okay, kung pareho man ang ID, delete pwede. Parehaan eh. If you delete this one, pag i-delete mo yan, ma-delete din silang duha, kahit pareho sila ng ID. Dapat ID should be different.
Sa XR1, sir, okay lang yan.
Okay, wala pang problema yan. Sa next na yan.
Sir.
Yes.
Balik ko, di ba, pindoto niyo ito, ano, ang ID, gawas tanan ito.
Yes.
I-click na po niyo mong save, masave mo siya balik, and another, ano.
Delete. Existing naman siya. Pero ano lang, sa code, wala pa na. Okay, kasi ID should be set to unique. Di man good pwede pareho ang ID, pareho nito ba? Okay? Ayan, let's proceed sa delete. Okay, bilisan ko ha, kasi I know you're anxious na makastart na. Ayan, so proceed tayo sa delete. Dito lang tayo. Okay. Okay, delete tayo ha. I want to delete student 1, 2, 3. Si 1, 2, 3 i-delete ko ha. So every time I insert, I just type this. Insert into students values, diba? This is the command. 345 name, address. Ayan. Okay, inserted. There you go. I'm going to delete a student. Delete from students where stud ID is 1, 2, 3. Okay, ayan. So there is no more student 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so alam nyo na yung query ha. So this is the command if you want to delete a student. Okay, di ba? Ayan o. Ito yung sa saan na yun? Okay, ano ba yan? Ito yung sa save. Papalitan nyo lang ito. Okay, just gonna change that. This is insert. Insert man yan. Okay? That insert command is This, yung ginamit ko kanina. Yan. Oh, yes. Question. Sa Mac, if you can install NetBeans. Pero for virtual machine, pwede. You can install Oracle VM sa Mac. So that you can run within Linux.
Sir, kapilang ito, dili good siya mag-install, sir.
Sa Mac?
Oo, kapilang mag-install.
Na may ano ang...
Same lang ako na version.
Na may Mac na option ang virtual machine, di ba?
Nagani sir, pero dili ma-install ang Ubuntu, sir.
Try lang balik, basig na ano lang.
Same version, sir.
14.04.
Magana din na, sir.
Napagod option. Pag mag-install ka, na siya option.
Sige na, sir.
Kung yun, asa na to?
Buang na, sir. Gahapon mo ang buang.
Ayan o, pag nag-new ka kasi, you need to choose Ubuntu. Ayan o, Linux, Ubuntu. Naman ko na yung option. So dapat, 64-bit, 54-bit pwede mo install. Basig na mali mo ang option. Ikuha din na siya pareho.
Ang virtual machine lagi sir, wala lagi siya option. Dili lagi yung edit.
Pag nag-new ka, pwede man ka mag-one. Pag di na niyo ma-edit. Kani running naman di na niyo ma-edit. Yung Windows, di na pwede, kaya naka-Linux naman ka. So di na niyo ma-change na. Okay? Alright, question sa delete. So alam na yung delete ha, pwede na mo magsugod. Okay, next. Ito yung delete command.
Delete from?
Delete. Ayan, okay, delete. This is how you delete a row. Okay, let us delete 3, 4, 5. So if you want to delete 3, 4, 5, ayan. There you go. So there's no more 3, 4, 5. Okay. So ID is important. That's why I require you to show the ID every time you delete. Okay, example ha. Kita ko ulit yung output. Ayan. Pag-click ko ng 1313, maglabas dito 1313. This will be your basis. Pag i-delete mo yan, yung 1313 is the value that is needed sa dito na section. Ito yon. Okay? So meaning, this should be a variable. Variable yan. This is a string. Isang string lang yan. Concatenate a variable of whatever the ID is. Okay? Ayan. Alright? Okay. So let's proceed. Delete yan ha. Tapos na tayo sa insert. So na yan. Yan ang insert. We already give you the code. Okay. Alam nyo nang gagawin. Delete. Kayo na ang bahala. Okay. Kayo na. O kayo. Wala pa ko naghatag ng delete na code. Kamu na yung magbuhat sa Java. Same lang sa insert. Okay. What about update? Okay. Update naman. Ito. This is insert. Delete. Update. Okay? Yan. Tapos na tayo sa insert and delete. Update naman. Let's change the name of student 1313. Update. Students. Saan ito? Palimot ako. Set. Wala na yung where. Yan na ng where. Stud name equals to okay where 1313. Okay, mamaya yata ni. Ayan, good, tama. Yan, so as you can see now, 1313 student is now changed. Before 1313, yan ang name niya. After 1313 is now changed. So that is how we update. Okay? Ayan. So how does update work?
Yes.
Ayan. Update, table name, set field na ma-edit. Ang i-edit mo daw na field is ang name. Okay? If you want multiple fields, name and address, sabay. Okay, lagay natin. Ayan. Comma. Okay, comma. Iba na naman, address.
Makama rin ka.
Oh, comma lang. Davao. Okay, yan na yun. So this one will be updated from Pedro to ABC, from this to Davao. Okay, ma-update yan siya. So, there you go. So the result will be, there you go. So na-update na siya. Okay? So, going back sa program. Ito tayo. When I click 1313, maglabas dito. Teka, ano lang ako, run balik. Kaya wala pa na, update ang data. Ayan. Okay, ABC na siya. So, if I click 1313, maglabas dito 1313. Tapos ABC. Tapos dito Davao. So, automatic ha. If I click this row, yun ang maglabas dyan. If I click this row, yun ang maglabas dyan. Okay. Now is the editing. If you're going to change this one, sabay, dalawa. Add name and address. If you click update, itong dalawa ang nasa set. So, ang ilagay mo dyan, the values that was changed. Okay, ganyan. So, the name and address. Okay, ganyan. Okay, so you're going to modify that. Pero kung name lang, ganyan lang. Hindi kasama si address. Pero kung dalawa, name and address, yung dalawa. Yan, yung may kama. Alright? So, ganyan. Okay. So, that's the requirement. And you're going to do this for subjects, teachers. Ganyan. You have save, delete, and update with table. Okay? Ayan. So, meaning, you're going to create another table for subjects. Okay? Another table for teachers. Okay? What are the fields? Base it in your class. This is the class. These are the fields for student, subject. Yan din ang ilagay ninyo sa table. So if you're going to create a subjects table, okay, subjects. Ayan. Add ID, subject code, so on and so forth. Ayan. For teachers, ito naman. Okay. You're going to create a table for teachers. Ayan. Fields niya. So, add column yan lahat. Ayan. So, GUI. Ayan. Subject, registration. O ano lang, subject form. Ito naman, teacher, registration. Input, save, edit, delete, table. Okay? Ganyan. Alright? Questions? Yes.
Sir, di ba nakakatong sa delete kay ID lang?
ID lang.
Tapos update kay tanan na.
Pwede isa lang po.
Pwede ID lang po na pakita. Dili
mo good. Dili mo ka balo ang program kung sa imong i-click, di ba? So meaning, pag ingani ang output, i-click nimo na siya, mugawas tanan. Okay, pero pag nag-delete ka, ID lang ang gamiton. Pag nag-update ka, naamanggoy set. So meaning pwedeng name, address, contact, or tanan. Gamiton gyapon yung ID. So ID is also needed sa update because merong where. This is the ID of the student, di ba? Yung nandoon. And then mga values sa text field. Ito yung mga text field sa update. Sa delete, ang kailangan lang is ID. ID lang, di ba? ID lang. So pag mag-delete ka, maulang ni kainanglan. Pag mag-edit ka, tanan na ro, pwedeng gamiton sa query.
Pero like sa display, usual click mo sir, is tanan
Sa
na mapakita.
Saan sa?
Initial click nimo. So, dili po man siya kabalo.
Oh, yes, pag yan yun, pag delete nimo, mawala na siya diha. Pag update nimo, ma-update siya. Same with what I did sa insert, di ba? Pag nag-type ka diyan, automatic, di ba? So meaning you have to call. Just what I did, di ba? Ito, pag save ko, di ba? Pag save, gitawag niya yung show rec. Yan. So pag show rec, update yan siya. Okay, ganyan. Alright. Okay, pwede na magsugod. By next week, I will be checking this one. Ayan. Again, reminders. You need to do this on your own. Okay? You cannot copy your classmates' work. If you're going to look for solutions online, type them. Okay? Hindi pwedeng i-copy. You can choose to modify, okay, existing codes as long as it works. And one more thing, all of the methods here are required. Okay? I need to see the following. Ayan. Kailangan may delete record ka sa student's class. Update, load records in the student's class, save record in the student's class. Okay? This must be present. Ayan. Okay. And then in my student's form. Ayan. Sa student's form, I only have show rec. Okay? And ito, sa mga menu lang yan siya and button. And then in the main, I have DB Connect. Okay? Those are the methods. Sa students, ayan, save record. Kani, wala ni nahuman. You will be the one to add code here. Make sure you have the same method sa students class. Same sa subjects. Merong delete record. Ito lahat makita sa subjects. Ito lahat visible sa teacher's class. Okay, because teachers require delete, update, load as well, and insert. So, same method, same number of classes. Ito lahat. Okay? Hindi pwedeng bawasan or add. All of these classes must be present and all of them are required to run the program. Okay? Hindi pwedeng wala ang isa dyan. Ayan. Okay? So, dapat naana siya. So, when you present your work next week, ayan, I will be checking if you have all the methods required, okay, sa code ninyo. Pag may kulang, dili pa na ako na siya i-grade.
Ay, dili lang may magpakita lang.
Dili lang, ipakita lang. So, if there's something or missing na methods, I will ask you to repeat. Okay, ulitin ninyo yan until the requirements are met. Okay, pag may kulang, pausap na ako. Okay, ganyan. Alright? Okay. Ayan. So, klaro ha? Ayan. So, questions, clarifications para makasugod na mo? Oh, yes? Pausap na ako. Wala pa.
For example, kung
Pag
sa-
nahuman na ka, wala na yung kulang mo. Ito na i-grade lang.
Pero kung sa Wednesday, pwede sa Wednesday magpa-check sa
95.
Pero pwede na.
Pwede pa sa last meeting. 75.
Ay, so sir, sa Monday, sir, kung kasi ito nakapacheck, so wala yung changes.
That's all.
That's all, namin na sila, sir.
So, pag wala'y tanan na required na o mag-function tanan, students, subjects, teachers.
Gana, sir.
So sa Monday, sir, pwede ka like, iba na mali yung sir, tapos like, during sa Monday, mag-overload sa
1 hour schedule up to 2:30 man tayo.
So sa Monday, sir, di na naka-lesson.
Hindi na mag-lesson na.
Lesson ako excerpt 2. Excerpt 2 na.
Sir, kung di mag-rest.
Oh, mag-discuss ako.
Pero like,
Pero taga mag-time, siguro mga 1 hour.
1 hour, sir. Ipag amo pa pang kapipigyan sa mga laptop, sir.
Dapat na ano ninyo ha.
so dapat,
Kaya dapat pag ulit ninyo, mag-hinay na mo, sunod na.
sir, di
Yung pagi ginagawa ng 30 minutes para ma-transfer na mag-release.
Dali lang mo na. ang Java file naman ang ibutang na dira. Ano ang kailangan code.
Ay, sir. Kailangan direct delete ba sa personal laptop?
Yes, diyan ninyo ipa-check. Yan. Di ba, di-discuss naman na first meeting, ang magpa-check diya sa desktop na inyong ginagamit. Yes. Ano man? May error. Okay. Yes, napa concern mo pa. Kanilang man ang i-change o kani sa code. Kanilang o kani, kana lang. Kana lang. So tanan wala na yung sabon, kana lang kaya ang server IP man gud ninyo. So pag ang inyong ano karon Linux server, lahi man ang IP sa Linux server niyo sa balay. So sa code ninyo dire or sa code sa balay, mao lang ni ang tan-aw ninyo na consistent dapat. Ana lang.
Ay sir, mag-iba yan? Mag-iba yan sa ano, bahay?
Kay lahi naman IP address niyo sa balay, diri sa Adu mao man yung IP address nato. So mo na i-edit kani lang i-list ninyo. So if you're gonna continue work at home, this is what is needed to be changed. Kasi pag i-run mo yung program mo, hindi man maglabas yung record pag mali. For example, na mali ka ng IP address. Ayan, so walang maglabas. Ayan o, di ba? Wala. Walang output, walang ano.
Ay sir, paano ganito sir? Yan siya? Pwede ko na ako ayang...
Ayan yun. Dagdagan nyo yan ha, because ano lang man yan, sila ID name, so dapat kompleto.
Saan yan galing sa ano mo sir?
Ito.
MySQL?
Ito dapat lahat.
Ay,
Ito, yan, yung mga fields.
hindi yung box there sir. Sa ano, sa form. Yan. Yung,
This one? Ito, table.
Ang kana lang sa
Ano, saan?
Diba, ano ko na yan, discuss. Ito,
Sir, pwede ba ito
sige mo mag-block out good.
Sir, kaya mo yan namin sir.
Ano, table, ayan. Ito yan, table.
Okay.
Okay.
Pwede sa'yo lang yun sir.
Wala na yung optional lang din. Basta meron lang button. Ganyan, no? Kayo nang mag-design kung may time pa. Kung may time pa. Hindi na ako na-check ang design. Basta mag-work. Ha? Wala. Pero, antod mo man ang klase.
Sir, what was ang quiz, sir?
Next week.
Saan quiz? Ano ba?
Paano ang quiz?
Ayan, yung mga select queries. Mag-discuss pa ako niyan next meeting. Select queries, insert, update, delete. Ayan. Wednesday na.
Sir, pwede ko mapa-update later.
I-Atlantic ka.
Ano sa requires sir?
Ha? Yun, yung ano natin, di ba? Yung nag-delete ako, nag-update ako, ayan,
Something.
Okay.
Ayan, quiz natin.
Kasi mo,
Sir, SQL syntax.
Ano rin sir, identification?
Drag and drop
Fill in
lang.
the blanks.
Drag and drop.
Drag and drop.
Ito, hindi na nyo i-type. Nanay mga delete, from, delete na lang gaba niya. I-drag na lang.
May box na yan sa
Yes. Hindi na i-type.
Ano?
Kaya may type mo yan sa quiz exam, masikit pa kang spelling.
Ay, so more
Bata
multiple
ni Sir
choice.
Ana.
Kung kayo mo maka-answer, kung i-type pa.
Giba na sa sir, like, lahi ang sa delete, like, lahi ang from where.
Ano lang.
Like, honest, sir.
Sir, complete name.
Sige na, pagsugod na mo para Monday, mapacheck na kay so magkarakara mo na sa Monday. Okay, atena sa ta. So, katong kabalo na ang sa ibuhaton, sugod na. Ay. Katong ano,